Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. In this video, we will discuss more about Oracle SQL. So let's start our session. Firstly, we discuss about evolution of database management system means before 1960 and after 1960 what type of database are used to store the data. Before 1960, books are used to store the data. In 1960, there was a new concept came that was file management system to store the data. After that, in 1970, there was another new concept are created that are hierarchical database management system. After that, a new concept came that are network database management system. In 1970, there is another new concept are created that are relational database management system. This concept was created by EF code. EF Oracle company founder is Larry Ellison. In 1977, Oracle have created software development laboratories. After that, in 1979, that development laboratory a renamed company named as Relational Software Inc. introduced by Oracle Software. After that, in 1983, it was renamed and company name as Oracle Corporation. Then we discuss about file management system. We discuss more depth about file management system. It is a software which is used to create and maintain the data in flat files or texted files. It was introduced in 1960. It was the first method to store the business data in computer. In this, data and metadata will be stored in many locations. If we want to make any changes to data or metadata, we need to change in many places. If we changed in one place, forgot to change in another places, data inconsistent problem will occur. Means file management system are come in 1960 in this format. We will store the data in a flat files or text file because we store anything data in a file that can be stored in always in text format. It was introduced in 1960. It was the first method. Before 1960, it was the first method to store the business data in the computer. Before file management system, only one concept are present that are books system to store the data. In this file management system, we store the metadata. Metadata means data about data and store the data in many locations. If we want to change in one place to change the data or metadata, we need to change many places. Because if we change one place and forgot to change another place also, that are created data inconsistency means data is not consistency and create a problem. Disadvantages of file management system. File management system have some disadvantages. To overcome this, we use database management system. So disadvantages of file management systems are data redundancy, data dependency, no security, limited data sharing, excessive program maintenance, lengthy development times. Means if we store the data in only one file, then when we search for data, then we mm, use the use the files to retrieve the data. That is so much time, so much lengthy, and we can share the data through the file to the limited person. So limited data sharing, no security. If the file are destroyed, then total database are destroyed. So there is no security, no dependency, limited data sharing, excessive program maintenance, and mainly problem is it takes more time to store the data because we write anything in manually, so that it takes more time. Then we'll discuss about database management system. Database management system, shortly we call DBMS. It is a software that is created and maintain the database. Database management system is created to store and maintain the data. It always allow us to store and manipulate the data and return the data of the database. Store data, storing data, data manipulating. Data manipulating means four types of operation: insert, delete, update, and select. These are the four important uh, command which is used for manipulating and retrieving data. Data retrieve करिए. Retrieving data to access the data. In this, data and metadata will be stored in one location. Means in the database management system, data and metadata both are stored in one location. If we want to make any changes, we need to change that particular place, that particular only one place only. Advantages of database management system: minimal data redundancy, data independency, security, improved data sharing, improved data consistency, improved data integrity, improved data accessibility and responsiveness, increased productivity. The disadvantages of file management system: to overcome the advantages of database management system. Data advantages of database management system is the opposite of disadvantages of file management system. Means file management system does not provide security, but database management system provides security. File management system is takes more time to develop, but it takes less time, and so that productivity more. Data security, data dependency, improve data sharing. In file management system, limited data sharing, but in database management system, data can be easily shared among the systems. Then we will discuss about relational database management system. This system, relational database management system, is a system software. It is a kind of database management system. Relational database management system means data can be stored in the tabular format. The relational database management system is a software that is used to create and maintain the database in the form of tables. It was come in 1976 and concept was came by E.F. Code. Examples of the relational database management system. There are some important examples that are given below. One is most important. These are the these are also this is our also topic. These are also main concept, that is Oracle. Oracle is a relational database management system examples, and it is a developed by Oracle company. SQL Server, it is also a examples of relational database management system. It can be developed by Microsoft company. DB2, it is a examples of data relational database management system, and it is developed by IBM company. MySQL, it is also another popular examples of relational database management system. It was developed by Sun Microsystem. PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL, it is created by a group of company. It is an example of relational database management system. Then we will discuss about table. What is table? Table is a collection of row and columns. It can be also called a relation or entity. Row can also column. Column can also called as relation or entity. Rows are called records or tuple or entity instances. Columns are called field or attributes or fields. Fields hold individual value. Records is a collection of field value. For more clarity, we will discuss by the help of taking an pictorial example. That is, create a table. Student table. Student table for student ID, student name, and student city. Firstly, take student ID, then we take student name. S name means student name. Then we take student city. S city means student city. Student belongs to that city. Then data, fill some data. 100 0 and 100 101 9. Then text city. Only Delhi. This is a student table. It takes student data. Here, this is the row and this is the column. Column. Row can hold This is called row. Row is also called record or is also called entity instance. Entity instance or tuple. Then is the column. This is the column. Column or attribute or fields. This is examples of student table. Your SID 100, 101. It is a column or attribute or fields. Here 100 Raja and Pune are the row records or entry or entire tuple. Then we'll discuss about metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is the data about data. It describes about the data. Examples: field name, table name, data type, field size. These are the examples of metadata. That's it for today. Then we'll discuss more about in another section. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.